Hi, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty, and welcome to another Howie TV house tour. Let's go. We are showing you this beautiful house and lot for sale located here in the city of San Fernando, Pampanga. Let's check it out. This property is priced at 16.5 million pesos. It has a lot area of 150 square meters, floor area of 221 square meters. It has 3 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, living room, dining room, formal kitchen, swimming pool, staff room, 2 carport, and so much more. If you're interested, contact us for viewing. Guys, as you can see from the facade of the house, very nice design, really modern. We have some wood details and stone details sa facade natin. Of course, we have this beautiful duha tree at the front of your house. Really nice to have a tree. Pedestrian gate which has a smart lock right here. And of course, your 2-car carport is right here. Let's come in. So 2-car carport. To my left, you have a pocket garden right here. Really nice. Beautiful yucca plants right here. And you have a big wooden door at the main entrance. And of course, your smart lock. Let's go in. As you can tell guys, sobrang presko ng bahay. Nakikita nyo naman yung movement ng ating curtains. By the way, I love this beautiful sheer curtain right here. Upon entry, you will see how grand the design of this house is. High ceiling, really nice lighting sa ating ceiling. Reminds me of Korean houses. We have this open space right here. You have your living area right here. A console, very nice textured wall, detail, really nice lighting. Air conditioning is installed. Dining will go right here. And of course, we have a beautiful show kitchen over here. Okay, sa kitchen natin, napaka-modern. We have storage underneath. We have our microwave. We have this range, induction. Of course, we have an oven underneath. And of course, your sink right here. Really nice kasi laminated yung ating modular cabinets dyan. Your refrigerator will go right here. This can fit your 2-door refrigerator. And we have a powder room over here. Sorry na miss ko kasi sobrang ganda ng kitchen. Nauna siya. This is your powder room. This can be accessed if you have your guest right there. We have a sink and our toilet right here. Very nice. Now, one more look sa ating living, sa ating dining, and our beautiful kitchen. Dito pwede ka pa maglagay ng mga bar stools. So if you want to use this as your breakfast nook or maybe some work done, pwede dyan. And this sliding door leads out to our beautiful pool right here. Really nice size pool. We have this wood decking around. We have a space right there. If you want to put a table or a seating area right here to lounge. And this looks, of course, sa ating 2-car carport. Okay. Balik tayo sa loob para mapakita ko sa inyo yung ating service area. From this angle, makikita nyo, ang ganda rin talaga yung ating ceiling treatment dito. Diba? Now, from the kitchen, to my left, we have our daily kitchen over here. Ito mukha na tong formal kitchen ng ibang houses. Dapat dito, daily kitchen. So we have our sink, our range hood. We have storage and more storage right here. Okay? Your breaker is hidden here. We have our laundry area right here. Meron tayong provision for your washer dito. You have the water and of course your electricity right there. Now, going out sa back ng house, we have this powder room again, toilet and sink, and this door is the shower naman for your pool and of course your staff. Okay? This stair right here, let's go up, leads to your staff room. Yan, dito, it's a good space for your staff. Maganda rin ang ceiling height natin. And of course, may ventilation dahil may window tayo. Okay? At overlooking the pool siya, ha? Really nice. And napansin ko, guys, that this can be folded to give you more space. Ang lakas ko, no? Napansin ko lang kasi may mga hinges siya. So to give you more space if you're not using the staff room. Really nice. Oh. Now, going around here again, we have the pump room and of course, one more look sa ating pool area and of course, our two-car carport. Now, let's use this door na lang to go back in. Even the flooring, guys, very good ang quality and tasteful ang pagkakapili. Kasi ang ganda-ganda niya. Then, we have this beautiful staircase. Of course, wooden steps and glass ang ating handrails. Going to the second floor. Now, mid-landing, meron tayong malaking window dito, floor-to-ceiling window that lets in really beautiful natural light. And pwedeng i-open siya for ventilation. At meron din siyang screen for your protection from the insects. Okay? Going up. Our stairs are lighted, by the way, para sa safety natin, going up and down at night. Upon landing, we have this hallway. Okay? That leads to our bedrooms. First door, come in. Our first bedroom, really nice space. Your bed will go right here. You have a large window. We have a built-in cabinet right here. Of course, our air conditioning. We have a console. And of course, your very own toilet and bath that has your sink, your toilet, and your enclosed shower with shampoo niche and rainfall shower head. Nice. Ang ganda ng space. Even if you have a large bed, you have a lot of space to move around. Let's go to the next. Bedroom number 2, similar to the first bedroom, but this time you have a balcony, okay? Your bed will go right here. You have your built-in cabinets, our console, our toilet and bath, with, of course, your sink, toilet, and shower that is enclosed. Sliding door, by the way. And your balcony. I would say this is a common balcony because this can be accessed through the master bedroom. So you have a view of your pool right here. Okay, let's go back in. Ang presko, nakikita natin yung curtain, talagang may movement. Okay? Now, of course, the highlight is the master bedroom. Let's check it out. Big wooden door. We have this generous amount of space right here. Your bed will be placed here. You have a balcony facing the front of the house, and the balcony dun sa ating pool view. Bed will go right here. You have a console for your entertainment, storage. Underneath, beautiful detail right here. And guys, the walls are beautifully done para siyang stucco finish. We have this arch right here going to your walk-in closet. Tons of storage for your outfits. We have our CCTV monitor right here for your security. And of course, our master toilet and bath, sink, toilet, and your spacious enclosed shower, shampoo niche, rainfall shower head, and of course, window for ventilation. And for your convenience, we have this panel right here that can be accessed dun sa mga gate natin. It has a camera that lets you know kung sino yung nasa labas ng house. Parang intercom system siya. And this sliding door, once again, leads out to this balcony that has a pool view. And this fresh air dito sa ating balcony. Now, this door, if in case you're wondering, this can be accessed dun sa ating hallway. So even if you're not from the bedroom number 2 or master bedroom, you still have access to the balcony. Very nice, no? So, let's do the recap. This property is priced at 16.5 million pesos. It has a lot area of 150 square meters, floor area of 221 square meters. It has 3 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, living room, dining room, formal kitchen, swimming pool, staff room, 2 carport, and so much more. If you're interested, contact us for viewing. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate every like, share, and subscribe. Once again, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty. Together with our director, Ken, we hope to help you find your next property. Until next time, God bless. Bye.